Welcome to the training session on the establishment of TAKT time. In this presentation, we will discuss how to synchronize production rates with customer demand by calculating and implementing TAKT time effectively. TAKT time is the rate at which products must be produced to meet customer demand. The term TAKT is derived from the German word for pulse or beat, reflecting the rhythm of production needed. It's a fundamental concept in lean manufacturing, as it ensures that production is aligned with customer requirements, minimizing waste and optimizing flow. Calculating TAKT time helps align production with actual customer demand, which is crucial for avoiding overproduction and ensuring that resources are used efficiently. It also helps identify bottlenecks in the process and facilitates balanced workloads across the production line. To calculate TAKT time, you can use the formula TAKT time = available production time divided by customer demand. For example, if you have 8 hours of production time and need to produce 400 units, your TAKT time would be 1.2 minutes per unit. It's important to consider factors such as shift changes, breaks, and downtime in your calculation. Once TAKT time is calculated, it's essential to communicate it to the entire team. Workstations and processes may need adjustments to meet the TAKT time, and continuous monitoring is necessary to ensure it's maintained. Remember, TAKT time should be part of your continuous improvement efforts to keep production aligned with demand. Balancing workloads according to TAKT time is critical to ensure that no station is overburdened or underutilized. Tools like line balancing charts can help. Balanced workflows lead to smoother operations, reduced stress on workers, and improved overall efficiency. When imbalances occur, they should be addressed promptly to maintain flow. Bottlenecks can disrupt the flow of production and prevent you from meeting TAKT time. Identifying these bottlenecks involves recognizing where delays occur and analyzing their root causes. Strategies such as redistributing work, adding resources, or re-engineering processes can help eliminate bottlenecks and ensure that production stays on pace. TAKT time is closely integrated with various lean tools and principles, especially just-in-time production. By establishing a steady rhythm of production, TAKT time helps reduce waste, supports continuous flow, and ensures that production meets customer demand without excess. Praxie provides simple yet powerful tools for TAKT time management, as well as dozens of other process solutions. Contact your representative to learn more. In conclusion, TAKT time is a powerful tool for aligning production with customer demand and improving efficiency. As you move forward, consider the steps needed to implement TAKT time in your operations, and remember that resources and support are available to help you succeed. And now that you're ready, complete your assessment today.